Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Rhubarb Plants. Now today in this episode I'm going to be showing you what to do with your excess leaves after you're done harvesting your rhubarb. Whoopsies. Now, as you're aware, once you harvest your rhubarb, you'll get these magnificent green leaves, and after you harvest your fruit, then you'll be left with these leaves. And after you're gone and done what you're going to do with your rhubarb, now you're wondering, what should I do with these? Now the average person normally would have just thrown these away, cast them aside, but no. Oh no. There are some actually pretty gosh darn cool secrets about these here rhubarb plants. Now, and I'm going to show you all of the secrets. Now, secret number one, they actually do make some pretty good fertilizer in your trees. So if we just take a couple of these plants and then just leave them right there, actually, let's cover them up with some of these wood chips. This will actually become very good nutrients for any plant that you'd like to assist them with. They have a lot of good vitamins and nutrients that a lot of trees will need. So that's one helpful tip that you can use if you have any extra rhubarb plants. A second tip for these rhubarb plants is that actually these rhubarb plants you see right here, you can actually enjoy these. This one has been dried out, so it's a little bit easier for consumption, but actually, if I go nibble there, absolutely outstanding. Now again, since these are very high in vitamins and nutrients for the trees, they're actually very edible. And the way I would like to do it is usually I like to sun dry mine. Not just air dry them inside the house, but usually sun dry them. Just put them on like some tin foil wrapping and place them outside and let them dry until they're about this consistency and kind of floppy, where you can see the stem of the leaf is the sturdiest part. Whoopsies. Where the leaf is the sturdiest part right there. And actually, these right here, this is where all the flavor is. Oh, that is really good. Kind of sweet, kind of tart, but high in nutrients. So there's a second tip for your rhubarb plant if you have any extra leaves. And now the third and final secret is that they do make quite excellent play toys for your furry friend. Look at her, she's just having a blast. She's just having a blast, aren't you, Hopies? Aren't you having a blast? Oh, I'm just kidding. Don't put your leaves in front of your furry friends. They will not like that. Another secret tip that you can do with your rhubarb plants is that actually, if you put their leaves back in the root, right here, kind of by where the main stem is. Remember last week, we talked about having these big stems here. If you actually put it by the big stem, what the funny thing about these rhubarbs is that they'll actually retake the leaf and grow another rhubarb plant. So I mean, this one's a little bit dried out. You're not going to want to dry yours out, but since I dried these out because I'm going to probably eat this one, if you had, let's say, one of these fresher ones and after you just harvested it, if you put it right back to right where the biggest branch or by the main branch, your leaf will actually reattach to the main branch and you'll get another rhubarb stalk. Not many people knew that's how it happened, but trust me, it 100% works. It's really cool how it happens or when it happens. So if you do have any extra rhubarb leaves, don't throw them away, because you're technically just throwing away free rhubarb. Just take your rhubarb leaf and attach it right back to the plant and you'll get another rhubarb. It's really, really cool how nature works in that sort of way. Well, there you have it. Those are 3 tips that you can do with your rhubarb leaf after you're done with your harvest. Now, if you'd like to see any more tips and tricks or just some more daily updates on my personal rhubarb plants, be sure to hit the thumbs up in this video so you can see more videos like this. And if you didn't like this type of video, be sure to help some helpful hints and comments inside the comments below so I can know how you guys would like to run the channel. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys later.